Jose Rivero, former head coach of Orlando Pirates, has expressed joy at Mona Polo Saleng's resurgence at Alberts College after challenging times at Pirates last season. In the past, Saleng was crucial in Orlando Pirates' success, notably in securing the MT8 title 2 seasons ago. Last season, he had a tough time with reduced playing time and pay disputes with the management. Recently, during a radio interview, Rivero reflected on Saleng's impressive start to last season, but was concerned about his subsequent drop in performance. Their relationship became strained after Rivero's harsh words during the halftime break of an early season match against Polokwane. Saleng actually scored the opening goal in the match. Now Saleng's current success at Albert College signifies a positive turnaround in his career. Rivero has praised Saleng's talent and hopes for his continued success. This story highlights the complexities of player-coach relationships in football and the personal challenges players may face, but emphasizes the importance of resilience in overcoming adversity.